Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a very quick one, an update actually on my hairstyle, my passion twist, which I've added for 3 weeks now. Today is Tuesday and Thanksgiving is in 2 days. Happy Thanksgiving everybody, happy Thanksgiving. Okay, on the bright side it's Thanksgiving. On the not so bright side, this is the hair I'll be using for Thanksgiving, because right now I'm so busy and I can't even work any magic in 2 days to get my hair to get my hair changed. Anyways, let's talk about the hair. I survived 3 weeks with this hairstyle. Yeah, and honestly the twists, they still look nice, but I can't say the same for my edges. I can't say the same for my edges. Like, the twists are cute. I thought they were kind of like crazy heavy at first. They seemed kind of crazy heavy at first, but I sort of got used to having them in my head. And let me even show you. See, I'm not exaggerating. Please don't laugh at the back of my hair. See, this is what 3 weeks does to you. If for anything, I must say that I'm impressed with this hairstyle. Like, it is just so cute. Big thanks again to the original creator of the style, Boho Chick. Thank you so much. Like, this is so cute. I mean, it's so different. And if not for the fact that I know I have to take this out, okay, I'm gonna keep this in for another week. Like, right after Thanksgiving, end of the month, I will take this out. If not for the fact that I know I have to take it out, because I kind of like the look right now. Like, it looks, I don't like the edges honestly, but I like the way the top looks. Like, it just kind of looks natural or blended, and I like my hairstyle. Remember, the hair again I used was the Free Tress Water Wave hair. I have 6 bags in. I guess 6 bags was just what saved me. That was my saving grace. I guess if I had used more than 6 bags, who knows, maybe I would have been screaming like, yeah, my head. But 6 bags and 3 weeks later, here I am. This style is the truth, I won't lie. I do like it. Another thing I'm going to say is that I'm so glad that I chose to do crochets, because you can see how messy my individuals in the front look right now. How much, man, remember that these roots were braided. How much more if I had twisted from the roots? I mean, this is very silky hair. Come on now. Silky hair, you should know not to twist from the roots. But if you twist this type of hair from the roots and it works for you, kudos. But me, I'm not going to be doing that. I braided my roots and most of the hair was crocheted in, and that is why I guess it was able to like stay in for so long a time. But then again, underneath is kind of embarrassing, but what you see outside is what matters. And well, this looks good enough for me. So if it looks good enough for me, I don't care what anybody else says. If you don't like my hair, no problem, you'll be just fine. It's my hairstyle, I like it. So if you still want to get passion twist done, go give it a try. And like, it's a cute style. And then the colors I used to, remember, my ombres, my fall ombre, my fall leaf ombres. I'm talking too much. I don't like talking in my videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and happy Thanksgiving again, everybody.